guys, today we're going to be creating brushes and text on Adobe Photoshop. So to start off, we're going to be clicking on Adobe Photoshop, and once that loads, you're going to click on File, New, and then once File New loads up, you're going to click on the size of the thing. So I'm going to click on the granite tool, and I'm going to click any granite tool that there is on there. So once I click on a type of granite I want, I'm going to swipe on the page to fix how I want my granite to look like where the angle I want it, like the color, if I want the color red more than the green. But if I want to change the color, then I'm going to go back to the color box, click on the black box and change it to a baby blue color. And then I'm going to click on the other box under the color that I just changed, and I'm going to change it to the color baby pink. And I'm going to swipe across like how I did with the red and green. The paper will change the color that you made. So to download your brushes, you're going to click out of Photoshop, and you're going to go to Brush Easy, and you can look up hearts, flowers, any design that you want, like bubbles, etc. But I decided to go with sparklers, and it has to be free, no paid apps or anything. But anyways, once you click on the design that you want, the brush that you want, click download, and once it downloads, go back to Photoshop and click on window and go to brushes again. And once you go to brushes, all your brushes are going to pop up there, and you could play around and see what type of brushes you have. And once you click on the one that you want to use, and if it's like too smushed together, there's a thing called spacing, and you can play around to see how much room you want. And I'm just spreading it out to see what the design makes, since it's too hard for me to see the design. Now I'm choosing yellow for my first color, and I'm playing around on what shade of yellow I want. And then after when I'm done choosing, I'm gonna go ahead and paste the sparkles wherever on the paper. You can go wherever on it, but I just chose to keep it little. And once you get used to it, you can start changing the colors and start putting more designs on it. So, and you can keep doing that for however you want it, but I'm just putting yellow and blue and pink on it. And once you're done putting color on it and your brush tool on it, then you're gonna click text, and then you can write whatever on it. So for example, I wrote have fun on the wild side,